Hi Habib. How are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am fine too. May I know about your daily routine?
Yeah, you may know.
Please say now.
Okay, keep listening. I get up at 5 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and wash myself. Then I go to pray. After my praying, I do physical exercise. Because physical exercise can keep my body fit for a whole day. After doing exercise, I sit to read books. Then I eat breakfast at 9 a.m. Then I take preparation to go to school. My classes begin at 10 a.m. Before going to school, I take a shower. And then I put on my uniform. I usually arrive at school at 9:30 a.m. I return home at 4 p.m. After returning home, I wash myself. Then I take a little rest. In the afternoon, I go to field to play with friends. I do my homework at 7 p.m. After doing homework, I go to eat dinner with parents. I usually eat dinner at 8:30 p.m. Then I watch television for half an hour. I often watch news on television. After watching television, I go to bed to sleep. I usually sleep at 10 p.m.
Wow. This is excellent routine. What do you do on Friday?
Friday is my holiday. On Friday, I plant new trees in my garden. I take care of my garden properly. I usually visit my relative's house on Friday. I like visiting a relative's house. That's all about my daily routine.
Your daily routine is fantastic.
Thanks a lot. I will know about your daily routine another day. Goodbye, dear friend.
Goodbye.